Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see about touch command in Unix. To explain the touch command in Unix, I have taken few of the example uh, of different usage of touch command. The first command is the pwd. Pwd command it is used to display the current working directory. So I am in the working directory home cg root directory. Second command is touch file one. So touch is used to create file 1, that is any file of 0 byte of size. Touch file 1, after that I have executed ls command which will give the list of files under the current directory. So file 1 is created. If you can see, file 1 is created, but at the fifth column you can see it is 0. That means file 1 it is of 0 byte size. First point of touch is touch command, it is used to create 0 byte size of file. Next command touch, it is followed by three file names, that is file 1, file 2, file 3. So using touch command we can create multiple files of 0 byte size. After that I have executed ls command, so you can see three files are created with 0 byte of size. Hope these 2 points are clear. Next I have used the command cat. For this video I will not go much into the cat command, but at this point I wanted you to let you know what is the difference between cat and touch command. So I have taken this example. At this point just be aware, like cat command it is used to create the file, whereas touch command is also used to create the file. So just wanted to know the difference between cat and touch. So to create a file, cat followed by the greater than sign, file name. So file name I have given as file 4. If you see the after that I have executed ls command. So if you see file 4 is also created along with three more files which is being created using touch command, but all the four files are having size of 0 byte. So what I will do, I will try to append some data in one of the files so that the size will it will not remain any it will not remain 0 byte. So using cat command we can create a file. First point. The next command is cat followed by greater than sign followed by the file name. If you give, then you can input the data into the file one. So I have inputted the data as this is an example and is missed, sorry. Mm, okay, to come out of the file you have to press Ctrl D, so it will come out of the prompt. After that I have executed ls command. Then you can see like the file 1 size has been changed from 0 byte to 16 byte. So the file 1 is having some data now. So second point about the cat is cat can be used to create file, and cat, using cat we can add data into the file. So now I have executed ls command. Now you can see file 1 is having some data and the size is 16 bytes. Now third point about the cat, sorry, third point about the touch. I am using touch file 1. File 1 is having some data, but after that I am using touch file 1 and executing ls command. If you notice, there is some changes in the time of the creation of file 1. In the above ls execution it was showing the time modification time, the time of the file 1 modification time is 18 hours 58 minutes, but after using a touch file 1 command it has changed the time to 18:59, whereas I haven't made any changes within the file, any data within the file. But the touch command it will make changes to the modification date as well as modification time. This is the third point of touch command. Touch command, it is used to access the modification of date and time condition of the file. I'll let you know more about this in next example. Okay, I've executed ls command. Now you can see there is some data, that is 6 bytes of data in file 1, and after that I am using touch followed by option hyphen t. Hyphen t is for time, so followed by, we can give the time any time, like the time which the which we want to show for that file. Because in our example, if you can see actual file 1, we have made changes on July 22nd at 19 hours 11 minutes. That is the actual modification we have done for the file 1. But using touch command we can modify that as well, like uh, whatever the actual modification was done for the file 1, you can change to any of the date, any of the time. That is what explained in the next example. Touch hyphen t followed by year 2017, followed by month 07, followed by date 21, followed by hours and minutes 10 hours 0 minutes, followed by the file name. File name is file 1. So we are changing the, we are modifying the date and time of the file 1. Current date is July 22nd, whereas we are modifying the date and time. We are modifying date to 21st of July and time to 10 hours, whereas the file has been last modified at 22nd July 19 hours 11 minutes. But using the touch command we can modify the date and time condition of the file. Touch hyphen t and touch hyphen d both will make the same changes, but for touch hyphen t it should be yy dd format, but for hyphen d it should be yy hyphen month hyphen dd, then space and hhmms. The formats such different, but both will be doing the same modification to the file. Hope you are clear about the touch command. If any doubt about the touch command, please comment. I will get back you friends. Thanks for watching.